You can see the trees around me and the sound of the birds. It sounds so crazy. Yeah. So many people dreams about such kind of life, but the life that they are dreaming, I am living now. You can see I am sitting with the tree, and you can see surround me. I am surrounded by the trees, and this is the bliss of the nature to me and all of you. But we, the people, cutting the tree and making buildings and called development, but not. The trees is important for our lives. So kindly protect the trees, the jungle, and coexist with the nature.